just wondering what clothes to wear. She pulls her hair makeup,
oh no,
and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? I see yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party,
yippee!
and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful, 'cause I see the love light in your eyes. Then no wonder, oh, it's that you just don't realize how much I love you. Aww.
Yahoo!
It's time to go home now, and I got the meaning there. So I gave her the card game, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Wow!
Oh, my honey darling, you were wonderful